Thanks for participating in our first oil down of Saturday of Long Beach.
I love it. You're supposed to be able to push it all the way down.
Right.
Look how much is still above it.
Yeah, but that insulation is really fat on those.
Those sunglasses are horrible, bro.
I just wanted something subtle that would blend in.
Is this all going to be on Kevin's corner? Hey.
Oh, I'm on right now.
No, I'm saying the one that's on there. You have to take the nut off and hit it down.
All right.
What was that?
You ready to go?
No.
Okay. Just an inner?
Yeah, looks like it.
I'll just snap it off.
Yeah, clean snap. Jack stand out. Jack stand out. Good. Hold on. Everybody out. Clear there. Drop.
All right. How bad? Right.
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, pretty good. No, I didn't really move around on the upper. I did catch my hand on the wheel spin, but
You got a broken front brake rotor,
okay.
so it might want to roll. It's not like into pieces, but
Okay, let's see. Just the front rotor and top. So you got
What are you trying to cut with that one?
anything.
Bro. What are you about to do, son? Still connected, it's just bent.
Yeah, exactly.
This is already broken off. The thread is still remaining in here. So they're gonna take this off and then try to drill in here with the screw extractor to get that threaded, the remainder of that bolt out of there, and then put the new one back in. All right, let's go. Let's do this.
Yep. Ready?
Yeah, touch it. We'll fire it up. I did the same thing for the other guy. I can't wait. Just
Gotta get the wheel off and start extracting. We got these hex bits to start a smaller hole. I got it. Say the word.
go. As soon as you touch it, we'll start it. Go. I'm gonna go grab the bar. Yeah, grab that right there.
I was gonna use it's right up there on the wall.
Drill it. Left hand drill it. Left hand drill it.
Yeah, do you have to drill for it? I already pulled one out. I was gonna do a pilot.
Stand under there. Okay, stand under there, please.
Give enough time. We're putting it on the ground and we're running it without alignment. Yeah. Or you can call your five.
We got it. Call 5 still.
I'm in.
All right.
Oh, no, this one's different because it has a spacer. So that's, yeah.
Get the torque wrench.
Yeah, because this is a BMW rack one.
Right.
Torquing the wheels.
Oh, I said you were leaking pretty bad.
Smoking under there, and I looked and I didn't see any fire or anything, so no leaks at the point, but yeah.
I think they've been having issues all day. They were just trying to contain what they could. Yeah. One huge puddle, and then there's another big spot down there. So you're saying you're not working? Do it on purpose. Why would I do it on purpose? It's a strike. Why would I do it on purpose? So move over this way. Yeah, I know, but like slowing down, I don't have to see where you say it's two different things. So you I didn't do it on purpose. Well, you think I drove over the battery? I thought I had more time to fire on you. How about anything else? That's definitely a first. Had an In-N-Out burger truck pull up through the finish to back up and get situated.
He thought he was all good, a little bit of rub on the tires, and then he went to pull out and he said the car was going to pull into the left a little bit, and then Matt looked under it and saw one of the suspension components has a crack in it.
Ah.
It looked like it had a ton of toe.
Did it? All right, we're ready.
All right, hit it.
wheel off, dude. I'll take this. You get the wheel off. No, I want the gun.
I got the gun. Put it on the back.
Don't lose everything. Don't lose everything.
I got it.
Can we get me a hammer? Nope, got it out.
2 minutes. Hey, don't forget the jack stand though.
Yeah.
Ready?
You see the lights? They're both running. That looked pretty good.
It looked like
All right, let's go, boys. You've already been looking.
What's your hat?
get a 3/16.
Your hat was all pushing.
Do you need a jack? I don't think so right now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put this on. Yes.
All right, let's go.
Ready? All right, boys. Going.
You want to pop that tail light out?
Hey. All right, I got you.
All right, trunk staying on, all that. That's pretty secure. It kind of helps itself stay in there.
We changing tires? Yeah. All right.
You can't change tires.
You can't change tires. We're fine for it.
You can't change tires. No. Yes.
You make the rolls.
Yes.
Andy.
Yes.
Get that jack.
I want the drill bit. Just calling for drill bit.
You're good.
No drill bit. Yep.
There's 2 minutes left on the 5. They're preparing to start it up right now.
There comes the truck.
Matt gets knocked out, I get a podium.
Yeah. Yep.
But I don't want to wish that on anybody. We'll just see what happens.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's it. You know, giving a podium, not winning a podium.
What happened here?
We could try to hold the front bumper up.
Yeah. Teamwork. We'll help you. Watch out behind you. Michael, watch out.
Okay. You can let out the brake. Okay. Okay. All right, leave it there.
Get jacked in.
Oh, well.
The wood's
Yeah.
Are you off the wood on that side? You're good. Are you on it still? Still on the wood on that side.
All right. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to hold it.
Are we gonna have a lift of nose?
Yeah. But it's unloaded right now,
Oh.
so you have to hold it. There you
Hold
go.
the brakes. Hold the brakes. Quick question. So if they change rears, we can change rears?
Yeah, but they're not going to. I mean, it looks fine. Yeah, it's all front end.
The thing is there's giant holes in the intercooler.
Yeah. This could be punctured too.
Yeah.
We just
We need a new intercooler.
Yeah. We have one.
Yeah, but to put to
We got an intercooler right there.
here, can we just take these off?
No, Jason, no.
Yeah, let's see about getting this front end off first, and then let's talk about
What about like a What about like I need a 6 mil Allen.
Matt, what about like a nitrous only situation to remove that?
Change this from here. If we could change that and get the intercooler on, we might be in business.
You have 5 minutes, dude.
Well, we still need a bash bar.
You need a bash bar.
Something's gotta connect the frame rails.
Yeah,
I think it's
don't
too
want
slow.
I don't want this thing to blow boost and then we're stuck.
Okay, let's change the intercooler then.
You got time?
Yeah, it's kind of hairy what we got going on here, so I want to make sure I can see what we're doing here.
Go ahead. Give me a
Where's the bash bar? No, we're not running that.
No bash bar?
No.
So just crank in some more bolts on that one.
Is that a
There we
bash
go.
bar? Yeah.
Yep, that'll work. Give me,
Hey, 1 minute, boys. 1 minute.
Matt, get in the car.
Matt!
We need Matt in the car. We got 1 minute.
All right, move out of the way. I'm getting the jack under there.
Fire it up because we need to leave the car steering. Okay? Believe me right now.
8. I need 8.
Take it up. Start it up, Matthew.
Let's go, boys! All right, gotta roll.
This is fine.
It's not bad.
I don't think it's really that bad. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Let's do it. Go.